In addition to creating a custom compliance standard, I can further customize that standard by creating custom policies to associate with the standard as well. And I can do that by first navigating to the Policies tab. To create a new policy, click plus Add New. Start by giving the policy a name. I'll go ahead and paste the name in. S3 buckets, public access not blocked. You can also enter an optional description, then set the severity level for the new policy. And I'm going to go ahead and choose medium. I can choose from low, medium, or high, but we'll select medium for this new custom policy. And you can also enter an optional labels field. When you're all finished, click on Next. On the Build Your Query page, this is where I define how the policy is going to behave. I do this by entering the RQL query used to enforce the policy. So I'll go ahead and paste that in. When you enter or create an RQL expression, check and verify that the expression is valid by looking for the green check mark on the left side of the text box. And as I mentioned, this will define how the policy will operate against the specified resources in your cloud environment. So once I've entered a valid RQL query to be used for this new policy, enter return to add the RQL expression to the policy. And then you can click Next. I can now associate the policy with the compliance standard, including any new custom compliance standards I've created. Once I've selected the compliance standard, I select the requirement and the section for this new policy. Then click on Next. The next step is the remediation page, which we will not configure in this example. So click on Save to save this new policy. If I now go back and view the custom standard that I associated with this new policy, any reports I now generate will include the updated policy information that has been incorporated into this standard.